Hello, hello, guapa ladies. I'm Teacher Jane, and I'm currently 13 weeks and 5 days pregnant. But I was diagnosed with persistent focal myometrial contractions. And I was advised by my OB na kailangan ko pong mag-bed rest for 7 days. Kaya naisipan ko pong i-video ito kasi wala naman akong masyadong gagawin dito sa bahay. Kaya, samahan nyo naman akong i-document yung day-to-day natin na bed rests. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm a public school teacher for 8 years. Teacher 3 na po, and 33 years old. First time pong magka-baby, and kasalukuyang merong contractions at na-advise for 7 days na bed rest. Ano po kayang magandang gawin para po ma-enjoy natin naman yung bed rest natin? Oh yes, mag-enjoy po kasi ayoko po mag-overthink ng malala. As for the situation naman ni baby, according to my OB, okay naman po yung situation ni baby, okay naman po yung heartbeat niya, thank you Lord. Pero it's just that the contractions are giving. It's already my second week na meron po akong contraction. Kaya po nag-advise ng bed rest, total bed rest na po talaga. Ano po kaya yung pinagawa sa inyo mga public school teachers na nagka-bed rest din or nag-bed rest din during their pregnancy? During your pregnancy, ano po kayang pinagawa sa inyo while you are having your resting days? By the way, nakaligo na po ako kasi meron po tayong medications na kailangang ilagay or i-insert sa ating vajayjay. Meron po tayong nilalagay na Heragests. One for before bedtime and one in the morning. And right now, naglagay na po ako ng Heragest sa vajayjay ko po. Meron din po pala akong iniinom or tinitake na medications. It's Dydrogest. Iniinom ko po yun for 3 times a day. Advice din po yun ng doctor. Also, mga guapa ladies, nagkaroon din po ako ng UTI. Bakit ganito? Ganito ba talaga pag magbubuntis? Kailangan bang ma-experience talaga yung mga UTI? Yung suka-suka? Oh my God, I really don't like that. Every time po na tinitake ko po yung vitamins, kung nasusuka po ako, pa-share naman po ng mga experiences nyo kung ganun din po ba kayo. As for me, as public school teacher na kailangan mag-bed rest because of my contraction sa pagbubuntis, ano pong gagawin? Ano pong pinagawa? I talked to my school head po. I'm just thankful na very understanding po yung school head naman. Thank you, school head. Kailangan ko lang mag-send ng module or certain activities para may gawin po yung mga bata inside our class or during our class hours sa MAPE time namin. Kaya earlier this morning, around 6:30, nag-send na po ako ng module sa kanila para meron po silang gawin. And we will just gonna check it as soon as I come back po sa school namin. So, this is day 1 of higa-higa portion. Mamaya po, gagawa ulit ako ng mga activities para sa next day naman po na modules sa mga bata. So, right now, wala po dito yung asawa ko, wala po dito yung husband ko. Siya po kasi yung nag-file ng Form 6. So, see you mga guapa ladies sa ating second day of 7 bed resting.